Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a bank transfer authorization with Fidelity Cash Management, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize a bank transfer with Fidelity Cash Management, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Cash Management section from your account dashboard. Select Transfers to begin the bank transfer process. Next, choose Transfer Money. You will see options for both internal and external bank transfers. Select External Bank Transfer if you want to transfer funds from an external bank account. If you haven't linked your external bank account yet, click on Link a Bank Account. Fill out the required information for your external bank account. This information typically includes the bank name, account number, and routing number. After entering the details, verify that the information is correct. Once confirmed, submit the request to link the bank account. Fidelity will usually send a verification code to your email or phone for security purposes. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Once your external bank account is successfully linked, return to the Transfers section. Choose your linked external bank account from the available options. Next, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Select the destination account within Fidelity where you want the funds to go. Review all the transfer details to ensure accuracy. Click on Authorize Transfer to proceed with the transaction. You may be prompted to confirm your identity again for security reasons. Once confirmed, your transfer will be processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the transfer status. Allow up to a few business days for the funds to complete the transfer, depending on the banks involved. You will receive a notification once the transfer is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.